Hello viewers, today we're going to see extension method in the C Sharp. So what is the extension method? Extension method is nothing but, so this is the class which I created already. Okay, so the class contain the method display. Okay, so this is now the closed class. Okay, so this is done by some group. So I am going to extend this class. Okay, but I should not go and create some methods inside this class and modify this class. Okay, so when I create okay, first I'll try to create the new instance of this my class object. Okay, something I'll keep the instance name and the new object my class. Okay, so currently I can able to access my method display. Okay, so I can just call this method here. So there is a method called display. Okay, so I can call this method. Okay, so now I have a requirement that, so I need to add an additional method uh, to this class, but I should not go and create inside this class. So how to achieve this is a today's topic. So that is why here to discuss the extension method. So extension method will helps you to add the method for this class. Okay, without go and edit the existing class. Okay, we're going to extend based on what's the requirement. So how to achieve this? Okay, yes, okay, before that, okay, so we need to create one static class for this class static. Okay, so here I just call as extensions. Okay, I am just creating the class static class called extension. So under the namespace of the same class, okay, so then only I can able to create my extension methods for this particular class. Okay, then I going to create one static. Okay, so print. Okay, so when I try to create the object for this class, I want to extend, I want to add one method called print. Okay, so when I try to create the object for this class, currently I can able to go on the able to get my display. So here I need to extend one more class called print. So for that I going to create the print with the type of this class. Okay, so if you want to extension, you have to extend this method. You should use this operator in the parameter this, and you should mention the type for which you, okay, something like okay, so you have to create one static class and the static method. In that parameter you have to use this and you have to mention the type which you going to extend. So here my type is my class. For this I going to write my extension of the method print. Okay, now just to save this. So now you go and try to create one okay, object dot. So here now you able to see here one more type called print. Okay, this is it's come under extension. This is just extension method. It's not actually the method which is belonged to here, but okay, without I'm going and writing, I just extend here I'm just calling over here. Okay, here, okay, in this print, okay, print. Okay, so now what I did is I have my class. Okay, my requirement is that I don't want to go on the create a new class here. It is closed class. Okay, I just want to but I want to extend some methods for this class additionally. So what I did is I go on to created the static class called extensions. So this class you can use for any other purpose. See, like okay, I going to create another method called public static. Okay, okay, something like void. Okay, this is a extension for string. Okay, okay, for the string uh, uh, types I going to extend this. So for that what you have to do, you have to use this space string. Okay, this is the string. For string class I going to extend it string and the param. Okay, just created one method. So this is the print for my class type, and this is for string. Okay, now what I am going to do, here I try somewhere here only. Okay, so in the display string dot. So I assign the value called string. Okay, here a. So now I just type a. So here are my extension function for a. What are the stuffs I can do with here? So I can do aggregate, I can do like this. Okay, so if you able just type extension, yes, see here extension f for a string. So that's what we added here. So this is also one of the extension that which added by us. This is a custom. See, like this, these are all the extension for the string class. Okay, see, if you mouse over you can able to see it. So these are all the extension method which is IEnumerable, any is extension. So likewise we created our own custom extensions. So hope you understand what is the extension method. So without go on the write the logic, so whatever the logic that we need in a runtime or in a compile time, so yes, you can write your own custom logic, and you can mention the type. So I want to extend some method for this particular class, you can do it, or for the particular string, yes, you can achieve it. Hope so you understand. Just run this. So here there is a two method I called, one is from the extension, one is from the direct. So let's go and run it, we'll get the result. So hope you understand how to extension method. So it's really very helpful as there is a base class. So generally base class, like a if suppose there is a payment, you are building the payment API. So for the particular client you want to expose some other methods that you should not go on the, write from the base class. So you can write on create of the object, you can extend it for the particular kind and you can expose it. Yes, display me and the print me. So the two methods which have the console.writeLine, one is display me and the print me. So it must be in a same namespace, or otherwise you should include the namespace if you are developed from some places. Okay, but the main thing is that the method should be static, and the static method should have the parameter this and the type. So where you are extending, you want to extend to the class, or you want to extend for the particular or a system class, systems library, like the types like string, integer, whatever you want, you can do it. Okay, it's very simple. So likewise you can extend for any other purpose. Hopes you understand. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Please try from your end. Just if you not know before, just use in your application. It's really more flexible to add up the value for you. If you have any doubt, queries, please comment us. Please subscribe our channel if you not subscribed before.